Hello everyone, welcome to... You have blonde hair and she has black hair. This is kidnapping. Oh no! I kidnapped the other one too! Anyways, welcome to Fling Things. The game where anything is possible and everything is possible with any moment, at any sort of... Oh gosh. Hey, let's get... Taking the child. I'm taking the child. Screw you. Okay. Now first off, kidnapping. I'm just gonna kidnap it. Oh! Ah! Okay, that's it. Who the frick was that? Is that mine? Where's the kids? Where are the kids? Okay. I'm assuming it was... Yep, it was her. Yep, it was most certainly her. I'm taking... Stop it! Stop it! I'm taking the child. I'm taking the child. I'm taking the child. Leave me alone. I'm taking the frickin' child. Okay, guess we're not taking the child, but we will take the child. We will most certainly get our revenge. Now, first off, it was you. You're a butthole. I don't like you. You're coming. Give me that child. I am taking that child. Give me the freaking child. Give me that freaking child. Get back here. I'm gonna... Give me that child. Give me that child! Yes. No. No, oh no, I made some enemies. Okay, just gotta... Get in, child, run! No, the child. No, leave my child alone. Child. No. Get back here. Why are things so laggy? I am going to murder you, lady. Come on. No. Get away. You're coming down with me. Why do I still have that much health? Yeah, no, I'm not saving you guys. Now, it's time for a full revenge plan. You don't look like her. You don't look like her. No. It's her. That's her. What the? What? Yes, that was my escape plan. You. Oh! Okay, yeah, that's the one. Okay, she is the one. She's the true lady who we must murder. Come on. No. Get back. Bam. Get you. No. Go back. No. You. Lady. You don't deserve that. Fling Things. Oh Oh, Cyborg. Goodbye, Cyborg. Cyborg, more like the cyborg behind the slaughter. Who did that? I'm assuming it was the person who was behind me. I'm assuming. Hello, lady. Goodbye. Someone is always me. I'm just gonna cry into the. Who the? No! Again with this crap. I am freaking done with your bull crap. I'm done. I'm done. I have had. I've had it. I've had it. Had it with that message for the next time we see her. Yes. Nope, that's not her. Where is she? Oh, okay, well, she's definitely not. I've had it with you, lady. Me. Oh, yep. We're going in. My tab. Nope, my tab. Who's Mazinky? Except? What? Okay, I'm doing that. Come here. Oh my gosh, is that a baby? No, that's not. Oh my gosh, is that a baby version of him? Nope. It's a full size. We don't like full. And we like tiny. See this lady? She's half my size. That's why we hate her. I just threw her into the back room. Okay, that lady's gone. Oh my gosh. Child! What the frick? Who just grabbed me? I don't know, but I am stealing the child. Give it. Crap! Okay. Plan B. We're gonna steal all of her children. We're gonna kidnap them, and we're gonna lead them away. Kidnapping children. One email. Yes. Yes. Gonna rub it all over the floor. Gonna smack it into the ground. And put it into that. Yeah. Oh no. Does anyone want this baby? I got a baby that I will gladly shove into this. Yes. Yes. Oh. Get back in there, halfling. You're getting back in there. No. Why won't she just freaking stay? No, don't you dare. I'm gonna make an apology plan. And by apology plan, I mean I'm just gonna carry around the baby. Like it's nobody's business. My baby. My baby. My baby. Gonna roast this baby. Deep fried baby. Deep fried baby. Deep fried baby. Deep fried baby. My freaking favorite. Oh! Hey! No, don't you dare try to run. You dare. No. Yeah. Take that. Now move. Ah. No, get that away from Ezra. Ezra, no. You, get away. Now we're gonna chase this guy down. Come on, Bear, get him. Get him, Bear. What the frick? This is real Jackie Chan. Back here, Jackie Chan. I know that's you. I'm gonna burn you too. Wait a second. Give me that. Fire. Oh, hello, child. You would like to be burned too, wouldn't you? Yeah! Now I have a human torch. Go! Come on, human torch. Off we go! Set fire. More fire. That's enough. Right? More fire. More. We're gonna make an apology. We're gonna give you the child. We're gonna give you the child. Hey, no, get back here. Child. Would you like the child? Here's your child. I'm gonna constantly come back with you. Your child. You miss your child. Now we're gonna back away slowly before making a bomb, and then go, hurry, run, oh yes, run, go into the sky. Woo. Oh gosh! Ooh. I can be reunited with my bear friend. Come back, bear friend. Let's reunite. Hello there. Remember me? I'm pretty sure that you do remember me. Goodbye. Good freaking bye. Oh, what's that? No, you can't go that way. No. I'm sorry, sir. That way is off limits. Sorry, that way is off limits. No, that way is off limits. Put a bear in your path. Sir, no, that way is off limits. Sir, that way is off limits. Yep, I don't think he's coming back. I think he's learned his lesson. Sir, that way is off limits. That way is off limits. No, way's off limits. Nope, way's off limits. Nope, off limits. Here. Nope. Off limits. This is revenge. Oh, I should probably... Yep, get onto my shelf. Okay, let's kill every single one of these guys. Hello, you. I'm coming for you. You're freaking screwed. What? What do you have to say? What could you possibly have to... Frick. Move out of my way. Crap. Don't worry, we can do this. Rip it out. Give it to Disney Princess. Hey, you. Hey, you. I want to kill you so bad. Come on. Don't you want a piece of it? Don't you want a piece of it? Don't you want a piece? I think I know you want a piece. We're gonna kill you. Hello, sir. We're gonna have this prepared. No. Why does this baby keep coming to me? I don't want this freaking child. Do you want the child? You take the child. You take the child. No. No, I'm trying to give you a child. Hey. Oh. Whoa. Hey. No, you're freaking screwed. Haha. Do you really want to come over here? Hey. No. Gonna bang you. Other guy got blown away too. That was unintentional, but it was funny. Oh, Disney Princess. Boom. My Disney Princess. Let's go. Cause some more mayhem. You. No. Yeah, no. Listen, I know you're the parent of the last 1,000 childs, but I'm gonna have to... I was gonna say I'm gonna have to full on murder you, but... Oh, lightning, dude. That was your name. Oh, what's that? You wanna come inside of this? Good. I was needing more participation, people. I need more people. Where did he go? Sir? No. Lightning, dude. Hey, get back in your box. I need you for an experiment. Lightning, dude, what the frick are you doing? Stop lagging. It's bad for your health. It's bad for your lightning. Get in the box. Get in the friggin' box. Stay in the box. No. Bye. What the frick? Okay, I'm getting out of here. I'd like to torture someone else. Hey, Alex. Meh. He looks too much like he would want to defend himself. Guess who doesn't look like they want to defend themselves? This dude, who I'm going to shove in this box. Boom. Hey, sir, would you like to be in the box of victory? This is the box of victory. Let me shove some bombs in here real quick. Bombs. Boom. Let me get one more bomb. One more. Boom. Okay, maybe two more. One. Hey! Hey! No, you're my participant. You. Stay. And we're going to... No. No. Okay. Yep. Stop it. Close, lady. Now, lady, or sir, I'm gonna need you to get in the box. Okay, please. No, sir, sir. What the frick? Don't call me. Sir, sir, sir. No, no. Get me out of here. Get me out of here. Get me out of here. Stay. What are you doing? You better get back here. You must stay. Open box! Oh my gosh. This guy is a wandering weirdo who won't frickin' stay. What the? I don't want the bear, I want the man! Robot thing. Okay. Yes. Sir. Sir. Wait. Sir. You need to cooperate. Get it in the box. No. Now don't move a muscle, sir. This isn't gonna hurt a bit. Yep, into the sky he freaking goes. I feel accomplished. I feel like I have done my mission. I feel like just ran a marathon. Let's mess with Cheesebird. I like to mess with Cheesebirds. Come here, Cheesebird. Let me kill you. Cheesebird. No. Cheesebird. Cheesebird. Hey. Cheesebird! You don't get back here! Cheesebird. Cheesebird. No. Cheesebird. Hey! Emo lady. Yeah, I caught you! Yeah. I'm gonna walk towards you. Yeah. Come on, lady. Come on. You're going at the speed of freaking smell. No. Okay. Ow. Scooby-Doo, help me. I'm gonna murder you. Okay, never mind. I'm not gonna murder you. Yeah? You won't. Oh. Don't you dare touch my bear friend. No bear friend! Don't touch bear. Bear is secret. Bear is secret. Sacred bear. Get away. Okay, we're doing this. Where is she? Okay. Well, guys, I hope you enjoyed this bull crap, and I will see you in the next episode of Fling Things. Maybe. Get out of here. I didn't mean to do that, but I... Cheese bird. Let me lick your cheese bird.